Salutations to all of our scholars in Reading Land. Thank you for joining us for Sniffles, Sneezes, Hiccups, and Coughs. Friends, if you have this nonfiction read aloud in your personal library, retrieve it and read along with Reading Land today as we learn about sniffles, sneezes, hiccups, and coughs. Contents: air and your body. Achoo! Everyone sneezes. People, dogs, cats, horses, turtles, birds, and even giraffes. Some sneezes are loud, others are quiet. Some people sneeze again and again. But why do we all sneeze? And why do we cough, hiccup, and yawn too? You breathe to take in the air your body needs. Your nose and mouth are both passageways for air to get into your body. The air travels past your throat and into the airways that lead to your lungs. Your diaphragm, chest muscles, and brain work together to keep air going in and out of your lungs. Diaphragm. This muscle is springy, like a trampoline. It pulls down and pushes up as you breathe in and out. Nose, mouth, throat, lungs, chest, diaphragm. Sneezes. The airways to your lungs need to be kept clear all the time. When you breathe in through your nose, your tiny nose hairs filter the air and the sticky mucus, snot, collects anything that could be harmful. It might be dust or pepper or pollen. You feel a tickle. Your body does not want these things in your nose. You get the sniffles. Your brain tells your body to sneeze. House dust. A speck of dust is not just dirt, but a mixture of different things, such as skin flakes, hair, food crumbs, and dust mites. You sneeze more often when you have a cold. Germs collect in your nose and make it tickle and swell. Sneezing gets rid of the germs, but they can be spread to other people this way. Sneezing into a tissue stops the germs from spreading. Some people sneeze when they go out into sunlight. No one knows why. Your sneeze could be traveling at a speed of 100 miles per hour or 161 kilometers. The gush of air blows the dust or germs and the tickle out of your nose. But what happens if the pollen, dust, or germs get caught in your throat or in the airways to your lungs? Then a message is sent to your brain to tell your body to cough. Water droplets, mucus, dust, and germs are forced out of your nose. Under pressure, a sneeze travels as fast as a speeding car, so never try to stop it by pinching your nose closed. The pressure can injure your ears. Coughs. When you have a cold, you may feel stuffed up with phlegm. Phlegm is thick, sticky mucus. It picks up the germs that have reached your lungs and airways. The phlegm needs to be cleared out so you can breathe better. This is why you cough. Invaders. Germs are tiny living things that can cause diseases. If they get into your body, they can make you sick. Remember to cover your mouth with your hand when you cough to stop the germs from spreading to someone else. When you cough, you take a deep breath and hold it while your chest and stomach muscles tighten. Your vocal cords are open for breathing. Then your diaphragm pushes the air out of your lungs. The sudden gust of air carries the pollen, dust, or phlegm out of your mouth. As the air rushes over your open vocal cords, they vibrate and make a sound. Your cough might sound like a dog barking. Hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Voice box. When you want to talk, your breath moves over closed vocal cords, which vibrate to make sounds. You've got the hiccups. This may happen if you drink drinks with bubbles or you eat too quickly. Your diaphragm tightens in a jerky way. It pulls in sharply and you take a quick gulp of air. Your vocal cords are closed. They are not ready for the breath that just came in. When the air hits them, they make the hiccup sound. You hiccuped even before you were born. No one knows why we hiccup, but people try lots of different things to get rid of them. Some people hold their breath. Some breathe in and out of a paper bag. A paper bag can help you control your breathing. Some people drink water. Some put sugar on their tongue. Some people think if you are scared or startled, you will stop hiccuping. Some people bend over and drink water upside down. Yawns. If I yawn, will you yawn? Probably. Just thinking about yawning can make you yawn. When you yawn, you open your mouth very wide. Your jaw opens and stretches your face and neck muscles. You might close your eyes. You take in a deep breath to fill your lungs. Then you let it out. Huge yawns. Hippopotamuses have the largest mouth of all land animals. They can open their jaws up to 4 feet wide or 1.2 meters. Why do you yawn? You yawn when you are sleepy, but also when you wake up. You might yawn if you are bored, but also when you are not. Maybe it is your body's way of saying, let's do something different. Warm-up exercise. Athletes yawn before a race. Musicians yawn before a concert. Yawning and stretching make us alert and ready for something new. Oxygen at work. Oxygen is in the air that you breathe. Your whole body needs oxygen to change the food you eat into energy. In your lungs, oxygen enters your bloodstream and then travels around your body to where it is needed. Breathing out. The air you breathe out has carbon dioxide that your body does not need. Plants use carbon dioxide to make their food. Your body is a marvelous machine. Friends, it truly is. And I really hope you've learned a lot about sniffles, sneezes, hiccups, and coughs. I love you immensely. And until next time, friends, keep reading and keep smiling. Bye-bye, friends.
Reading Land. Yeah.